Alright guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the SCX24 Deadbolt, the red one. I already opened it because it was a little bit easier to start the video out that way. So as you can see, it's got a lot of features on the inside. Comes with a little guy. You can move his head around. Alrighty. Let's see what else comes in here. Looks like there's some batteries. Of course, the basic manual. Alright, and the drive shafts and links are actually a little bit bigger than on the Jeep and the truck version. So that's all that comes in that so far. Then, of course, the charger. And let's see what the controller looks like. Alright. Thanks for watching my unboxing of the SCX24 Deadbolt Red Edition. I really appreciate if you guys made it this far in the video. Please like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Here is just an overview of the Deadbolt outside of the box. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll catch you guys all later. Thanks. Bye.